Hi everyone, for this project we will show you how to make an alarm buzzer. We'll be using a VIA Pixetto vision sensor, an Arduino board connected to an expansion board, a piezo buzzer, and 2 groove cable. With the help of AI technology and Pixetto's face recognition function, the finished face detection alarm will buzz when the vision sensor detects a face. This project is not only fun to make, but also can be used as a buzzer alarm. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're here at step 1 where we're gonna connect the Arduino board and the expansion board, and there you see the 2 boards. And then first thing you wanna do here is attach the pin header, as you can see that I'm trying to do. Make sure that you attach it very slow because you can damage the pin. And there you can see it's finished. That was really quick. I just want to show you guys on both sides how it's all attached. And that's it for the first step. Now let's go into our second step. Okay guys, here we are at step 2 where I'm going to connect a piezo buzzer with a groove cable. First I'll take the groove cable and insert it right into the piezo buzzer's groove connector. And there you have it. So that was very easy and very quick. Okay guys, so now I've already connected the buzzer to the groove cable. Now I'm going to take the end of that groove cable and then I'm going to connect it to the groove connector labeled D4, which is on the expansion board. And our expansion board is already attached to the Arduino board. So that's it guys, we've finished with this step. Now let's get into our next step. Okay guys, so here at step 3 where I'm going to connect the VIA Pixetto to the PC using a micro USB cable. So the first thing I'll do, I'll take this first end of the micro USB cable and insert it on the USB port on the PC. Next, I'll take the other end and insert it on the micro USB port on the VIA Pixetto. I'll remove that cover. Then I'll wait a few seconds so that all 3 LED lights are lit. Once all the 3 LED lights are lit, that means it's connected successfully. Okay guys, once we've connected that successfully, we can now go into step 4. Okay guys, so since we've already connected our VIA Pixetto vision sensor to the PC, now I'll be opening up the utility and I'll be configuring the VIA Pixetto vision sensor to detect faces by selecting the face detection function. So I'll just open up the utility here. Sorry, it takes a few seconds. As you can see, it's already displaying. I'm going to maximize that a little bit. And then I'll go to function, and then I'll scroll down to the bottom and I'll click on face detection. Once I click on face detection, I will select apply, and that means we're finished. Now I'm going to use my own face so that we can test the configuration. And there you go, it's my face. It's showing that it can detect. And there you have it guys. So we've finished with our 4th step. Now let's go into our 5th step. Okay guys, so here in step 5 I'll be connecting the groove cable first to the VIA Pixetto vision sensor. So I'll take the groove cable and then I'll insert that cable into the groove connector, which is on the VIA Pixetto vision sensor. And that's it. That's the first part of the step 5. Okay guys, so the last part of step 5, I'm gonna attach the other end of the groove cable to the groove connector labeled UART, as I pointed just there, on the expansion board. And as I'm inserting the groove cable. And that's it guys. That's the last part of this step. Now let's go into step 6. Now we're at step 6 where I'm going to open the VIA Pixetto Junior app and start building the blocks for the face detection, which will activate the piezo buzzer. So let's start with the first layer of blocks. I'm going to open up my Junior application, and then I'm going to go over to the control category. I'm going to select setup block. Then for this last block that I need for my first layer of blocks would be the initialized vision sensor. And I'm going to insert that right in here. Now I'm going to select some pins. I'm going to select here pin 1, and I'm going to select over here, pin 0, and then I'm going to select pin 1 here. The reason why I'm selecting these 2 pins is because they're more reliable. And then RX means receive, TX means to transmit. The reason why we've created this first layer of blocks is to create a communication between the Arduino board and the vision sensor. Okay, now that we've created our first layer of blocks, now we're going to go into our second layer of blocks. Now we will create the blocks which will make the piezo buzzer emit sounds. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the control category, and I'm going to select an if-then block to create an event. Now I'm going to go over to the vision category section, and I'm going to select object is detected. And once I select this block, I'm going to put it inside the if-then block. This block will make the VIA Pixetto report that it is detecting an object, which is the face, using a command from the Arduino board. If the condition we've just created is true, the block inside will activate the event. Okay, so to make this event true, I will go back to the control category. I will select an if-then block to create another event, and I will insert that within this if-then block. I'll go to the logic category, and I'm going to select a logic block from here. Then I'm going to go back to the vision category. I'm going to select object type, and I'm going to select the number block. I'll put these 2 blocks inside. I'll make sure this is 0. I'll make sure this is an equal sign, and I will insert that into the if-then block. This will allow the VIA Pixetto to detect any face. Okay guys, so next I'm going to go to the in-out category, and I'm going to select the emit sound block. So on the emit sound block, I'm going to select pin 4. The reason why I'm selecting pin 4 is that because our piezo buzzer is connected to the groove connector D4. Next, I'm going to insert a frequency, which is going to be 4000. You can insert the frequency based on what you want. The last thing, I'm going to set a time, which is going to be 100, and again you can do the same thing. The time value determines how long the frequency will be played. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to insert that within the if-then block. So this block will make sure that when the VIA Pixetto reports it has detected a face, the Arduino board will command the piezo buzzer to emit a sound with the given frequency and time. Now I'm going to go to the control category, and I'm going to select a delay block. Down here. I will set the time to 100 milliseconds, and the delay block will provide a delay between the sound emitted by the piezo buzzer. The delay time can be adjusted based on what you want. So once I'm done with that delay block, I'm going to insert that right under the emit sound block. Guys, so now I'm going to go, I'm right here again at the control category, and then I'm going to select repeat while this block, put this over here. Then I'm going to go to the vision category section and select object is detected. I'm going to put that inside. Basically, these blocks means that the piezo buzzer will continue to emit a sound as long as the VIA Pixetto detects a face. And once I'm done, I'll insert that right underneath the delay block. Okay guys, so we've pretty much finished with all our blocks, so I'll just ask you guys to carefully review the pins and the frequency and the timer on the blocks, and even the delay time. You can change it however you want, but just to have a quick review of all the blocks that you've just made. And now let's go into step 7. Okay, now we're here at step 7. So after we've finished all our blocks and reviewing it, Now we're going to upload the codes to the Arduino board. How to connect the Arduino board to the PC. There you see I have my cable, and then I have my Arduino board that's already set up. First, I will connect the micro USB cable onto the PC using the USB port. Next, I will take the other end of the cable and I will connect it on the micro USB port on the Arduino board. Once I'm done, I'll wait for a few seconds and then I'll hold up the vision sensor just to make sure that the LED lights are on. And once we're done, we can go into the next step. Okay guys, so we've established the connection with the Arduino board, PC to the Arduino board. Now we're going to upload the codes to the board. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the Junior application. Once I open up this application, I'll go to No Hardware to start establish a connection by clicking on Arduino Uno. Next, I will go to Not Connected to connect to the Arduino board. You can see here we're connected to COM 8. And I'm going to click on Connect. Once I click on Connect, I'll go to Go Editor. And I'm back here on the platform. And once I'm back here on the platform, I will click on Code. Once I click on Code, show you right here, these are the blocks. These are the codes that was generated. Next, I'm going to click on Upload. Once I click on Upload, this is going to take a few seconds, guys. So here you can just wait. It's uploaded. It's compiling and uploading at the same time. And almost finished. There we go. It's compiled success. And then upload successfully. Success. And then upload finished. So we've just finished uploading the codes. So now I'm going to show you guys how to save it, which is really quite easy. I'll just go to this icon next to project, click on it, click on Save As, and I'm already here at my folder. So that's my folder is called Face Detection Alarm. So I'll give it the same name as my project, Face Detection Alarm, and I'm done. I'll just press Save, and that's it. Now that we're finished assembling the face detection buzzer and uploading the codes to the Arduino board, it's time to do some tests.